Okay, guys, let's do some exercises to practice the subjunctive of the unknown or the indefinite. The first one says, busco el viajante que ser bilingüe. Now, should we use the subjunctive? Should we use the indicative? Should we use the infinitive? Okay, the first thing we have to do is to look for that word that tells you that you may have to use the subjunctive. And we have it. Busco, buscar. It's one of those verbs that can work as subjunctive trigger. Buscar, necesitar, okay? So yes, we have busco. Okay. Now, what is the answer? How do we conjugate this verb? Well, the answer, if you haven't figured it out yet, okay, is es. Es. Okay. Es. Now you may be wondering, why es? Why not sea? Why are we using the indicative and not the subjunctive? Well, because we are not buscando any viajante. We're looking for the traveling salesman. And what tells me that I'm looking for a salesman that I know? The definite article el. Okay, the definite article el. So, busco el viajante que es bilingüe. Let's go to number 2. Necesito un tutor blank, okay, blanco, saber cálculo. Okay. Can we see a word that may indicate maybe a subjunctive trigger? Yes, necesito, necesitar. Okay, necesito un tutor. Okay. And the answer is, okay, que sepa, okay, que sepa cálculo. Now, why are we using the subjunctive here and we use the indicative in the previous exercise, in the previous sentence? Okay, again, we have necesito, okay, it tells me that I may have to use a subjunctive, but instead of a definite article, we have an indefinite article. Indefinite article. So we're going to use the subjunctive, sepa. Okay? Number 3, hay una chica que hablar francés en el salón de clases. Now, the word that tells me the answer to this question or how I am going to conjugate the verb is I. It means there is. She exists. So how are we going to conjugate this verb? Okay. Easily. Habla. Okay. Hay una chica. Okay. Hay una chica que habla francés en el salón de clases. Okay. And it doesn't matter that we have an indefinite article in this sentence, that we have una. Okay. Why? Because the verb I tells me that she exists. Hay una chica. There is a girl that speaks French in the classroom. Okay, what about number 4? What do you think? Should we use a subjunctive or should we use the indicative? Well, this is easy. Okay. We're going to use the subjunctive. Why? Because it's negative. No conozco a nadie. I don't know anyone who speaks Mandarin. So when we have expressions of negation, like no conozco a nadie, if we have no and conocer, we're going to use a subjunctive. Okay? Now, number 5 is a question. ¿Conoces a alguien que tocar el piano? Do you know someone who plays the piano? Okay, how would you conjugate tocar? Okay, this is an irregular verb, by the way, and this is a question, and we study in this class that when we have a question, we're going to use the subjunctive. Why? Because we don't have the information, okay? We are asking for the information. So the conjugation would be, ¿conoces a alguien que toque el piano? Now, if the answer is yes, okay, sí, conozco a alguien que, how would you conjugate it? Just think a little bit. You will conjugate it in the indicative, okay? In the indicative. Toca. Sí, conozco a alguien que toca el piano. Now, if the answer is in the negative, how are you going to conjugate the verb tocar? Okay? It's negative. Think about it. Okay? Okay, we're going to use the subjunctive. Toque. No, no conozco a nadie que toque el piano. Okay, let's do 2 more. Just 2 more. Okay. Necesito una analista de sistemas que programar Java. Should we use the subjunctive or should we use the indicative? Okay, we have necesito. Okay, necesito, which is one of those verbs that tells me, yeah, I'm gonna need to use the subjunctive, maybe. Okay, necesito un analista de sistemas que, and the answer here is programe. We're going to use the subjunctive, okay? Why we're going to use the subjunctive? Can you tell me? Can I hear you? No, probably not. Okay, because we have an indefinite article. Sorry about that. We have an indefinite article. And when we have an indefinite article, una, un, uno, unos, we use a subjunctive. Necesito una analista de sistemas que programe Java. Now, what about number 9? Necesito la analista de sistemas que, yeah, I think you know. Okay, we have necesito, which could function as a subjunctive trigger, but in this sentence, we're talking about a specific analyst, la analista. Therefore, how are we going to conjugate this verb? Programa, okay? Programa, we're going to use the indicative. Necesito la analista de sistemas que programa Java. Okay, guys, I hope this helps you for the prueba number 2, for the quiz number 2. I expect perfect from everybody. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to either bring them, bring the questions during the review, repaso on Thursday, or email me or whatever. Okay? Okay.